We're gonna need the tape measure for this one.
Oh, so the dimensions won't be the same because you can build this custom to how much you want it. This is the 2x4 basic custom workbench. And actually, here's the box it came in right here, so you can see how big it is. Comes with all the pieces, yep, no problem. The pieces are everything but the wood. So the top and the 2x4s you have to buy separately, and the shelf that I have here. So you get the feet here. So this is put together with 4 feet, and then you just buy the 2x4s you need, cut them to the length you want it to. So it can fit up to, I think, a full size 2x4 and probably a 4 foot wide. It's got like 3 pre-drilled holes. You screw it into the 2x4s, you cut down to your size. I didn't add the shelving because I wanted just a flat workbench. The shelving option comes with it. It's actually in here. It's braces for the shelves, and again, you have to buy 2x4s to make the shelves. Here's the braces for the, so you basically pop your 2x4s in here, and it becomes, you know, you can stack it and put shelves, and then you put more 2x4s across, and they provide the screws as well and shelves.
And here's another one of this basic 2x4 workbench and shelves without the shelving unit, supporting a gigantic Shark, CNC Shark,
Yeah,
CNC machine.
They say each level can hold up to 500 pounds, if I remember correctly in the documentation. And this is not anywhere near, but this is probably close to 200, 150, maybe 200 pounds.
Wow. So yeah, another use for the table. Look at that.
Yeah.